Welcome to a ProductionNet tutorial where you will learn the fundamentals of creating an entry. Navigating to this page is done by clicking the Create Entry in the navigation menu. On top of the screen, you will note that the date, which is always set to the current date, the start time, which is always set for the previous hour slot, the duration, changing with breaks that are programmed in, the actual operators, which are currently on the work center working at that time, the work center, which will have a drop down on the different options. This may have only one item depending on the account, the current shift, and the desired tool for the entry. You can add good parts by simply clicking on the plus icon on the right hand side. This will habilitate a new field. Next, you will add the number of good parts. In some cases, this will conclude the entry. If you have defects, you can add them by clicking on the plus icon on the Defects tab. This new field will allow you to pick a category from the drop-down menu, and then you add the defective parts that you'd like. If you have other defects, you may add them by simply clicking the plus icon again. Moving to the downtime, you can add them by also clicking on the plus icon. Now you add the minutes of downtime depending on the category and reason. If you need to add more downtime, just simply click the plus icon button again. Double check that every field has the desired information added, and then click on the Create button at the bottom of the screen. Now you have the option to add another entry or navigate to the entry history. Thank you for using ProductionNet.